Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. We're going to be going over the top 6 stocks you need to keep your eye on in April 2021. So if you're curious what stocks are expected to do well, where you should be buying amidst this market uncertainty, this is the video for you, so stay tuned. We're going to jump into it right now. Alright guys, so the first stock again is pretty basic, but it's expected to do really well, which is SPY or the S&P 500. Why is this? It tracks the overall market. The overall market is being positive today, especially started to break to new all-time highs, which is a very great sign to see, or it's starting to test those all-time highs. And the momentum and the strength ever since the crash back in March of 2020, we've been seeing a nice push to the upside. So we're seeing a lot of momentum on SPY. It's been dipping but recovering, and now we're starting to pressure and push to those all-time highs. So we should see a movement up. Now again, all these stocks are predicated on how SPY does. So again, if SPY is positive and we see it do great, then these other stocks will do well also. Now, if SPY starts to drop below this 370 level, then we're going to start looking into inverse ETFs because those will start to do very, very well. All right, guys, the first stock is SPY, and that is my recommendation on it. Anyways, here we go into the funner stock. So we're going to take a look at Microsoft. Again, this is another basic stock, but what we're looking at here is Microsoft is poised to break out above the 240 level. All right, guys, so as SPY continues higher and is expected to grow throughout April 2021, it's going to bring other stocks with it. And one of those is Microsoft. We've been seeing it kind of coast and level out here at this 225 level and between 240 and 225. Now, we're kind of building some momentum. We're building a bridge, and the lows are getting higher, which is a very good sign. It means that our bulls are still stepping in and semi-controlling it here. And when we break above 240, we'll have a nice clear upside to around 280, 260. And so watch out on Microsoft for above 240. That's going to be a very great spot to buy. Because one, it's Microsoft and it does well, but also SPY is going to be backing this move, and Microsoft is just a very great stock that makes money as it goes up in value and through dividends as well. All right, guys, the third stock for this week is, this month, is Plug. All right, guys, so Plug Power. Again, this has done off and on well, but what we're seeing here is the last time that it crossed above the trending band indicator, we saw it explode and do massively well. It broke above right here on lower and to increasing volume, and then it exploded over 2020 and 2021. Now the earlier part of 2021, now it's been starting to dip. But what we're seeing is it's finding a support on the 200-day moving average, which is a very strong support, and we're starting to break higher. So I would say watch Plug for a breakout above $40. Why is that? Well, because as you can see, our highs are getting lower. And if you can track those highs getting lower, you can see here that we're starting to form a downtrend. And so when we break above this, when we start to develop the support, which is what we're doing now, and we're starting to break higher, if we get above, which is going to be at $40, then we're going to see room for this to run all the way up to $60 at least on Plug Power. Remember, guys, we have relatively low volume right now. When the movement and the volume steps into Plug Power, you'll see a huge rush to the upside because people know psychologically that this stock has run in the past, and so when they see it start to move again, they're going to expect it to run again, and that's what is actually going to make it happen, right? That's how market psychology works. Anyways, guys, that is stock number 3. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this part of the video so far. I do want to let you know that if you want to watch the rest of the stocks for this month, the stocks that are projected to do really, really well this month, please click the link below in the description and it will lay out all the stocks for this month. It's going to list them out step by step and why they are great stocks. In addition to that, it's going to send it to you via email so you have it, and it's completely free. Just click the link below and get access to the top stocks for this month. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on some easy profits.